Hi friends, I am Tyagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing session. In this session we are going to see GST 3B return filing from Tally Prime application. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. In this session we are going to see how to generate GST 3B JSON file from Tally Prime application. Next, GST 3B JSON file upload to GST portal. Based on tax liability, we are going to create a challan and GST payment. Finally, GST 3B filing. Now let's see how to generate GST 3B JSON file from Tally Prime application. Open Tally Prime application, select that company, click on go to option. There you can search the report GST 3B under GST report. In this report, first you need to change the date for which period you are going to file the return. Click on F2 option. Here you can change the period. I am going to select here 1st April 2021 to 30th April 2021. Is any error in transaction? It will list here uncertain transaction, correction needed. There is no error. Click on export e-return option. Here we need to select which format you are going to export, either Excel or JSON file. We are going to export in JSON format. This JSON file going to save in D drive Tally Prime folder only. So click on send option. Next, to open that D drive Tally Prime folder, there we can able to find that file GST 3B monthly return JSON file. Next step, GST 3B JSON file upload to GST portal. Open GST site gst.gov.in, click on login. There you need to type username and password. Enter displayed captcha and click on login. Next page will load. In the main screen you can able to see there is a return calendar. Last 5 return period will be there. GST 1 and 3B return file for last quarter, it was quarterly return frequency. Now we are changing to monthly frequency for current financial year, first quarter. Now click on return dashboard. Next page will load. In this file return page, you need to select the financial year. First quarter, we are going to select April month. Click on search option. In this page, we can able to see GST 1 already filed. We are going to file monthly return GST 3B. The due date is 19th June 2021. We are going to select here prepare offline. Offline upload for GST 3B page will load. There we need to click on choose file under return file upload. We are going to choose GST 3B JSON file from D drive Tally Prime folder. Once click on open, it will load and it will show you message your JSON file has been uploaded successfully. The GST systems will now validate uploaded data. Please come back after 15 minutes. Is there any error? It will display here. Now it is successfully uploaded, hence it is showing green color indication. Now we have to wait for 15 minutes. Again we need to relog into GST portal for file GST 3B return. Again we are relog into GST portal. We are going to change the period, which period we are going to file the return. Monthly return GST 3B, we are going to click on prepare online. It's already uploaded. Now we are going to select. We are not going to file nil return, that's why we need to click on no and proceed. It will give some system generated summary for GST 3B, GST 1 and 2B details. In this page, table number 3.1, tax on outward and reverse charges inward supplies, tax liabilities reflecting in central tax and state tax. This value is captured from that JSON file which we are uploaded from Tally Prime application. There is no interstate supplies, eligible ITC, exempt. Straight away we can save the file. Here system generated GST 3B report is there. If you want, we can download it in PDF format. Here we are going to save this GST 3B. It will display message save request received. Immediately very next message will display GST 3B details saved successfully. Now click on proceed payment. Let's see create tax liability challan and GST payment. Click on proceed to payment. The next page will load payment of tax. Here it will show you the cash balance, is any cash balance is there, or credit ledger balance. Here there is no cash balance or credit ledger balance. Scroll down. Here it will show you the tax liability, outward tax payable. Is there any eligible input tax credit is there? It will display here. We can adjust it against the tax liability. For set right tax payment, you need to click on make payment or post credit to ledger. Click on enter. It will show you warning message. You don't have a sufficient balance in electronic cash ledger. Do you want to create challenge? Click on yes and proceed. We are in payment create challenge page. Here it will show you the tax liability amount. We have to select payment mode, e-payment, over the counter, NEFT or RTGS. We are going to select here e-payment, create challenge. It will display the message challenge successfully generated. Now we need to make the payment. Scroll down this page, the bottom of the page, we need to select preferred bank. Here it is display State Bank. We are going to click on that terms and condition, make payment and proceed. Here we are going to log into net banking, enter username and password and click on login. In this screen you need to confirm that tax payment. Enter OTP and confirm the GST payment transfer. Tax amount is not reflecting ledger balance, hence click on payment. There is a challenge history. Click on it will display GST payment challenge status awaiting bank confirmation. Wait for few more minutes. Once again re-login. Check that ledger balance. Now it's reflecting electronic cash ledger balance. Now let's see GSTR 3B filing. Click on file returns. Once page load, next you need to select that which month you are going to file the return. Scroll down, you need to select that monthly return GSTR 3B, prepare online. Next page will load. There we need to select nil return no. System generated summary for GSTR 3B, close it. Last save request has been processed successfully. Scroll down this page and click on proceed to payment. In this page it will show you the cash ledger balance, the tax paid amount it will reflect. At the same time any credit ledger balance also it will reflect in that right hand side. Now scroll down, you can able to see the tax liability, how much you need to make the payment. Eligible input tax credit, we can adjust it here. Now click on make payment or post credit ledger option. It will show the warning message. You are about to agree credit claim and utilization. Click on yes and proceed. Immediate next screen will open. It will show message offset successful. Click on OK. Now scroll down this page and proceed to file. Next page will load. Here you need to confirm self-declaration and select that authorized signatory. Click on file GST3B with the EVC, electronic verification code. Electronic verification code will send to your registered mobile number and email ID. Enter your OTP and click on verify. It will display message filing successfully and we need to note down acknowledgement reference number for future reference. Same message will send to your registered mobile number as well as your email ID. Now click on download file GSTR3B in PDF format. This report will display table-wise information for which period we have filed. I hope we have shared some value-added information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.